Hey there my friend, fellow traders, Will here with FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. It's the 4th of the 4th, 2019 and I'm traveling around the beautiful Italian island of Sicily at the minute, where today I just want to give you a quick update on my new course. I don't think I posted a video to YouTube about it, so if you're subscribed to my channel, this is the new course. It's a really simple approach to trading Forex. A couple of trades per month per asset. It is built around I spent a lot of time researching this kind of method a few years ago, and I built my own custom built indicator around it. It actually is how to trade the cycles of the moon. Okay, it's a swing trading approach and it's very unique. It might sound a bit crazy, like using the cycles of the moon to predict turning points in the Forex market. But on certain currency pairs that you will learn in the course, it works really well. So it does. Certain pairs, not all pairs are the same, but there's certain pairs, 3 or 4 pairs that I go over in the course, that it works 75% of the time, and you get 300 to 400 pips moves, sometimes a lot more. Okay, so what I wanted to show you the update on the course. You can see it's been out a few days. We've got a few ratings so far. It's 4.5. Now this is not the price that you'll get the course for. I'll tell you the price at the end of the video, so make sure you watch it. Okay, you can click the link below and head over now if you want to access it now, and you cannot wait to what else I've got to say. So I just want to show you some of the reviews that I'm getting so far on the course. So you can see we've got a 4.5 star rating. Okay, we've got some nice reviews here. Stephen at Diego. This course is very enjoyable. The instructor and the instructions very clear. The simplicity and something a little different, which you can back test results, is certainly a good option as a trade strategy. Well, Stephen's correct and he's went through it and he likes it. So Paul 4 days ago, simple, no nonsense, idiot proof strategy. It takes very little time to implement, which it does. It's the whole course altogether is 1 hour. So it is. You've got 4 lectures on the system. Comes with a custom built indicator, which I built myself, coded around my certain method of research into this method of trading the cycles of the moon in certain currency pairs. And it doesn't work on all pairs. It works in certain pairs that I go over in the video. Okay, and then you can see a big review here from Philip. So you can click the link below and head over and read that yourself. A few other of my courses here. See, I've got a very high rating as an instructor. My courses are very good. The best thing about my courses, they're simple to implement and they're straight to the point. There's none of this gobbledygook and trying to make long courses. Mine's short and straight to the point, which is the best way to learn. So price, if you click the link below and go find my YouTube channel, you'll get the course for $19.99. You'll get a 90% discount because I want to get good ratings built up on the course. Okay, so you can click the link below, head over. It's my gift to you. It's a very powerful method, super unique, and I'm really looking forward to hearing your results. If any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and I shall speak to you soon.